So in this video we're looking at a 3 CPR downtrending scan on a monthly basis and monthly CPR, and we're also looking for stocks which are below all the moving averages. Okay, so we are looking for all bearish trending stocks. Okay, so we're only looking at stocks which are weekly options, and we are only looking for stocks which are about $10. Okay, these are the stocks coming up. So I'm going to sort by relative volume. Okay, so when I sort by relative volume, I just get the HRL is the first stock. Okay, let's go to charts. Let's go to HRL. Okay, you can see here all time frames are red. You can see the CPR is trending down. Okay, so you can see RSI also a little perking up, but the overall trend is down. Okay, it's long-term bearish. Okay, so HRL is the first stock. Okay, second one, CNC. Okay, here is CNC, clearly trending down. All time frames are red, RSI red, multi time frame red. So this CNC is a good one to go to that downside. Okay, so everything is bearish. Next is DPZ. Okay, DPZ also trending down. CPR down. Multi time frame down, bearish, long term bearish. RSI little perk up. Trend is also little coming up. Okay, so you want to wait for the first candle to open below the CPR. Okay, before you take the trade. Okay, so you want to wait till 3 o'clock in the afternoon to see whether there's one candle which is opening. Okay, opening above the CPR. Okay, sorry, below the CPR to take the trade to the bearish side. Okay, if the candle is not opening below, like you want to look for a red candle with a lower wick, no upper wick. Okay, so that kind of candle, if you see that, then you don't take it. Otherwise, don't take the trade. Okay, now the next one is so I have already so HRL. Okay, you can see HRL is trending down, but you want to wait for the candle to open like that. Okay, next one is AVA. Okay, let's look at options chain for this SAVA. So let's see how it is. The 14th option chain is not that liquid. Okay, so you don't want to take options on this one. Okay, next one is SAVE. Okay, you can see that it's all bearish. You want to see for a bearish candle below the CPR to take the trade. Let's look at the option chain here. Save. There's no weekly. Option chain also not liquid. So see here, put call, the difference between bid and ask is very high. Okay, So you want to see when the market is open. Scans. Next is bill. CVS. Okay, CVS is trending down. You can see everything is down. This one is good to take the short. Okay, next one is BILL, bill. Okay, bill also is trending down, everything down. So this is a good one to wait and see whether the candle is breaking below. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Please share, subscribe and comment. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.